Welcome guys, this is how you can use ADS indicator and moving average alone to trade the volatility 10 index profitably. The time frame is 15 minutes time frame. Now this particular strategy and other strategies on this channel are not limited to forex trading alone. You can make use of them. You can make use of the strategies on this channel on cryptocurrency trading on centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and rest. You can make use of the strategies on this channel to trade cryptocurrency, spot trading, that's cryptocurrency, spot trading, not future, spot trading. You can make use of them on centralized exchange and trade profitably. Now, in this particular video, let me show you how you can use EDX and the moving average and trade volatility 10 index profitably. The accuracy is 99% accuracy. Do you understand? It has been tested. Now the first thing is to identify the direction of the market. Do you understand? Identify the direction of the market. Where is the market heading to? Do you understand? Once you understand where the market is heading to, now you now look for what entry. In this case, you make use of a moving average to determine the direction of the market. Now you use ADS for your entry. Do you understand? Now when the market is below moving average, that is a sell signal. That means the market is on downtrend. Now you come to the side of ADS to look for your entry. Now in the side of ADS we have two lines. We have red and green line. When the green line crosses upward, that is a clear entry for you. That is provided the market is selling. In this case now the market is what? Downtrend. That the market is selling. So on the side of ADS where we make our entry, when we see the red line of ADS crosses the green line moving above, like here, like in this here, the red line crosses the green line upward. That's to say that is our entry. That should be our entry. That is the sell entry. We make our sell entry. We make our sell entry here. Do you understand? So with the proper, make sure that whenever you are entering immediately the crossing occur. Do you understand? And make use of a proper stop loss. So in this particular case we have what? Excess profit already. Do you understand? Now if you miss this particular entry here, if you miss this first entry here, here is another entry where the red line of ADS crosses the green line. That is, the red line is above the green line. That is another clear entry for you, which is here. You make your what? Sell entry here with what? As a profit, as easy as that. Do you understand? Provided the market is still remain below moving average, all that you will be doing is selling, looking for sell entries. Do you understand? Now let's move. You see it. This is excess profit. Are you seeing it? This is what? Excess profit. Are you seeing it from this particular line? Do you understand? And this is what? Excess profits. Do you understand? This is what? A killer strategy. Make use of it. Now let's move. You see it? Oh my! You see? Look at it. This is still selling. It's still what? Now if you miss the two entries, this is another entry for you. You only focus on selling. You're only looking for sell entries. Do you understand? Make another entry here, sell entry here, and you still making your what? Profit. Do you understand? You see, the market is still, this is excess profit. Now in this case, you see that the market crosses the moving average. The market crosses the moving average, so the market is now bullish. Do you understand? Once you discover that the market is now bullish, you now come to the side of ADS to look for your entry in that direction. Do you understand? So in this case, we'll be focusing on where to enter buy. Do you understand? So down here, this is a crossing here where the green line crosses the red line here. So we focus on buy. This is here a buy entry here, and this is what huge profits. Do you understand? Like as I said before, this strategy is also applicable on centralized exchange trading cryptocurrency, centralized exchange. Do you understand? Spot trading, not a future. Do you understand? You can still make your profit there. Do you understand? So this is how you see this is another entry here, another buy entry, provided the market is still above the moving average. This is another buy entry here, make a buy entry here, and this is what massive profits. Do you understand? So first of all, identify the direction of the market. Once you understand the direction of the market, you will now flow in that direction. You will now what? Flow in that direction. That is all you need to make it massive here. Now let me show you the settings. Moving average, which is the first one, period is 200, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, style, choose the color of your choice. Now let's come to the side of ADS, period is 80. To understand the style, choose the color of the screen background, plus DI, that's the green color, minus DI, that is what the red color. So this is all you need to make it a huge, in this particular market using this strategy. Do you understand? So if you like the video, subscribe, like the video, hit subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. If you have any question, make use of the comment section. Do you understand? Like as I said, you can apply this on centralized exchange, trading cryptocurrency, sports. Do you understand? And you will still make your profits. Do you understand? Thank you.